Now the kind of politics we they play for this state now don't make us. We don't the day for edge. We don't the day like say, hey, if I do like this, then go talk. Oh. If I do like this, they don't go talk. Oh. And that kind of pattern don't they spoil things for this state.
It's true.
Now let me give you an example. This is a third person. The third commissioner, a serving commissioner for this state, who would they talk, who would they call to ask them how far within concerning area. The first person at the commissioner for environment, what we call the woman.
Yes. For the suit matter.
For the suit matter.
Yes.
She first quarrel us small, say, well, we not tell us one color. We tell her, say, we need a 10 person. Even Buhari self will call her. We not tell her. So the president of this country will call her. He will not tell her. Only say put her call on busy. So that is not a problem. But the phone ring. You understand? Yes. He knows a funky for the call and see our number. Through caller show us. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So we need to worry. So we tell her, say, madam, so when she talk, her own, she talk, but she's a very intelligent woman. She don't carry and go say, okay, if we do like this, opposition go say, well, we do like this. She know too. But she still a play around her. The next person will call now commissioner for social rehabilitation.
Yes.
He only go direct. Straight. Say, hey, you know, if we begin carry all these people now, they go say, hey, this government don't like nothing. They hate visitors. They hate nothing. But my brother, our state they spoil. The state they spoil. What will be opposition? What is opposition? Opposition where politics starts. Governance is governance. Opposition is opposition. Do the right thing. If people they disturb this state, pursue them, carry them, put them the way it's supposed to be. Do a lot to make sure. See our express road. They're not invader. All kinds of people they sell things, clean, carry people when they walk away from nowhere, carry them, they come beg money. All kinds of things that happen for our express road. And you say when the River State law want to hold on these people, you can't tell us say opposition. Opposition what? Now again, my uncle, my chief commissioner for transport, don't talk his own too. Say the opposition will say, hey, under the whole people waiting. Things on the spoil for this state.
And you know what, everybody.
How can you come to the sun? How can you come here? They cooperate, Federal Ministry of Transportation. That is not sense. Arrest them and charge them to
arrest them. See, it is a lie.
For impersonation.
You know what? Now, somebody they tell me now say boldly written on the fence of the boys. It's Government of Rivers State Ministry of Transport.
Very good.
And road the congestion.
It don't
on their fence.
On the fence.
Which means they are impersonating the state ministry.
That is what we are doing. Now, what would they talk? So if my chief they talk say and then bring paper, then bring letters, fine. If it be true, we know you get people who get all kinds of letter where they impersonate.
No be only.
You understand? Then they paper now. Code of arm, they go printer. They get some printers, wicked printers when they do that work for you by loading. They can print anything for you. Make they waka. No problem. If anybody show you paper, no wahala. Police.
Take out.
Let's go to the station. Now when you near
the court,
the police station. No go court. Now when you don't near the police station, no then you go to
officer.
The officer make I explain. Once somebody say officer make I explain, no say. They want the truth. They want tell how the thing be. The officer say, no be so make I just explain to you. No say, you don't want to tell you how it be. So but don't the near my one police station or Rumokoro police station. No then you go to say officer. Make I just explain how it be. Because the thing they worry. No. Now this is a year
with this thing now, I'm sure God will work.
The problem is see the danger now. This year is a year of our mobilists.
Yes.
So and it is a year of the Facebook politicians who don't get PVC card. They don't do any politics party, no PVC card.
And also they pour
yes,
pepper,
so
salt.
Once government do like this, they say, hey, government want to kill all the people. Meanwhile, they are killing everybody.
Somebody now they say, hey, make una call Minister of Transport. Honorable Ladizwa, Francis Odili, no worry. We will not call any minister.
Minister for what
now?
Why want this?
Tegana has cleared Tegana don't clear the air on the matter.
We'll be small children.
For this state, make we leave politics for everything.
Honestly.
And somebody now send us now say boldly written on the side on the
fence.
wall of that place where they park people motor. River State government. They write about the
Government of
fence.
River State Ministry of
Ministry of
Transport
Transport.
and Road Decongestion.
Now, my problem now be say, with the fear, just as we I talk now. This is the year of no good, they don't go vote for us. No do, they don't go for.
Yes,
things they spoil.
Yes, especially for some
And
time
these boys they know. Say now the year of campaign, so they can do anything to chop. And now we, the people, now they suffer.
There's an issue.
Now waiting when they talk to about market people now. Market now don't move to the road. If you reach Wimpy Junction, if you reach my one, everybody now don't take everybody now don't take half of the road. In the night time is what?
Next week everyone will go talk about what about that motor park, what they do for?
Calm down. It is part of the sightseeing this thing.
People know they park motor inside.
For Rumokoro. No, they lock the place. They lock the place.
Excuse me.
They still lock them.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
They still lock them.
After the non-commissioner.
Calm down. When they commission something, it takes certain processes.
Like, example.
For e.g., the processor
Example.
of waiting on a bit of water talk now that say they do it
Subventional.
English.
I've been first beg and made in English. Anyhow,
Surreptitious.
you do the things more enter
No,
subvention.
you don't stop with that feeling.
Now,
that motor
what do you mean by I don't understand? What is
there
it?
are processes.
What is the process?
High
Because that motor park
am I
was meant to be commissioned by the vice
put in
president.
use.
By the vice president
the
of this
governor
country.
say the governor say anybody will catch for Rumokoro
Very good.
will be problem. The
Carry the motor, yes.
But why they never open until now? We will
What
need
process?
certain
White paper.
recessional
White paper.
recessional.
We need to consult Oracle.
No.
Wait. Market
We
get some
don't
idea.
understand. We need
That motor
some that motor park in particular.
Yeah.
It's a world class motor park.
I hear that the surveyor permit is not high.
The sticker.
The environmental impact assessment.
God bless you. Of that motor park.
Motor park for Rumokoro will never come out.
You are right. Yeah.
Now, if you don't do an environmental impact assessment, you can impactfully.
Positively.
No, before they build the market, you go do that one.
No, it depends.
You're mad. You're mad.
Depend on how your spirit lives.
Okay.
That is a millennium project. We don't do things before things happen. Things are already on ground. Now we need to do the impact. What do you call it?
Environmental impact
assessment.
Environmental social
impact assessment, which will impact on the social economic well-being
economical well-being of Rivers people.
So it's
in order not to resist any vote or defend the vote. Because I don't know whether motor park did there.
Honestly, there
The
is
whole motor.
there for road.
listen.
Especially in the morning, early morning. Everybody they load for road.
If they want
Although
issue,
it's
I think everyone.
let's leave this one.
So that we'll have
We'll
some.
have enough research. Let's do research. Let's not give.
Why that park is still under lock and key.
Let's not
If the other market is
No,
still
let's
under
wait. I get one issue. I want to talk. Wanna wait.
international market,
Go introduce
it's
them.
In the international market. I beg. There's an issue. Somebody send us message. Say police waiting for Akpajo checkpoint. That's if I Akpajo there.
That's right.
They worry people for purchase clearance.
Of
Motor,
what you buy.
the vehicle.
Purchase clearance. Now then.
Why you not talk this in since?
Wait till now.
You should have called the
Now
police.
we are not clear.
Police
Now
are-
they track. Now they go back to do
Sorry.
I tell you,
Purchase clearance of the vehicle.
Yes, say
No,
they stop this my sister. All the documents, including proof of ownership,
Complete.
they show them. They say no, she must bring purchase clearance.
She don't know what bush they joke with that. Nigerian police. We get. You want to show that say you
get every document.
now. You know.
Yeah, a good citizen.
You are now the president of this
IG.
The IG. The every paper they call you. Fire extinguisher. You bring. Angle. Angle. You bring.
Fire extinguisher.
Paper. MOT paper. You bring.
Proof of ownership.
Proof of ownership. You bring.
Tinted glass permit.
You bring. Police clearance. You bring. Change of owner to the new owner. Plate number receipt. You bring. Supposed to wait.
Plate number receipt.
You bring.
So who are you?
The name of the mechanic that screwed him. Plate number. You bring. You don't know yourself. The Nigerian police are very intelligent.
They must.
Now why you don't bring purchase clearance of vehicle? Where you buy it? Where the people will give you my brother take clearance from
We need to police bureau. We don't get time. Come, we're taking 5 minutes into it. You take that useless 5 minutes program. We're taking 5 minutes. We're not police bureau.
Very soon you're gonna order for us. So my friend, where's your purchase or bet clearance? The time they born you. Why your mama not take clearance?
Bet clearance.
Bet clearance from the community.
No best. You took 5 minutes for our program.
You see this country, This country is a great country.
One more police appear.
Suppose we are calling you an emergency. Is that how police bureau you
please? So somebody don't come to go tell them first. Say we want. No, calm down.
Very good.
Police bureau.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. To tell him where he is.
Yes, you are on Funky 4 Live. We want to make Rivers people hear your explanation to an accusation.
Allegation.
That is an alligator alligating against you.
And the
Nigerian police force.
River State branch. Good.
For Eleme Akpajo C4I junction, that checkpoint, we'll get 3 reports. I go forward the text messages to you.
Tell them now. 3
reports where say your men for there, they ask for papers of vehicle. They gave them all the papers, but one particular paper, purchase clearance. Now this my sister no get there. They arrested her. Una don't they collect check a purchase clearance?
Answer, what is purchase?
What is the purchase clearance?
Of vehicle. Where police they check.
Well, I don't know I don't know what that means, but I know that the police company, I don't talk about the police will get a much higher responsibility in terms of preventing crime and criminality, other than to be checking vehicle categories and all whatnot. But what is important is if any policeman reasonably suspects that particular vehicle is stolen, or maybe there is a reported case of snatched vehicle or kidnapping or armed robbery, for the purposes of rescuing the kidnapped victim or even recovering the vehicle, police can go out of their way to begin to ask for such but all type of circumstances, police have no business in whatever guy, to begin to ask for particulars, not to
purchase clearance.
A piece of purchase clearance.
Oh, the battery don't die.
The battery die, all your own credit finish.
No, I get credit. If credit finish, the thing will tell you now.
What is the purchase clearance of this airport?
Come.
Go call us.
I call.
Maybe na commissioner call her.
Na commissioner call you. I get plenty credit. Go ahead. I'll collect the money from you.
Going to begin to ask for particulars of vehicles and all of that. That goes to show that that's the way carry elephant with the goal look for
rat.
For cricket. So our whole business to fight crime and criminality. But the only exception, because there is no crime of action without exception. The only exception we have is if you reasonably suspect, a particular vehicle of having been stolen, having been robbed, or having a major vehicle that victim, you can stop affliction. And then the stability allows the motor to move. But apart from that, we have no business in all of that.
So, I beg help us, eh?
Call those your men.
Those men waiting for that Agbajo, they are known for it. Before people begin send us message, let me say they don't do a many people. And at that place that they pass go Opobo. You know go easy for me and them if they ask me
purchase
clearance. Motor why don't they drive since 2003? Make them stop them. Help us radio them. Roger Alpha Tango.
You receive me.
Oh, yeah. Come next Friday.
Next Friday, sir. 8 o'clock next Friday.
Now they invite you.
No. I understand. I will remind
yes,
them.
we will come.
Yeah, and this case is why I use call you. Bail is not free.
Bail is not free.
Bail is not free.
I'll give it back.
That's why you PRO.
Now I'm talking.
Police PRO. I help us radio. Agbajo made them stop on my bed. Alpha Tango over.
Receive me.
Receive me. I receive you.
I receive you. So you all receive me. Over.
Thank you. See you next Friday.
All right.